everyone, it's Vaishali and you're watching Do It Yourself Always. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can make this beautiful wall hanging using popsicle sticks or ice cream sticks. This is going to be a quick and very easy DIY. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. So first of all, these are the popsicle sticks that you need. So the very first thing that we need to do is to arrange these popsicle sticks in such a way. So I used around 14 popsicle sticks here. Once you're done with arranging all the sticks, and then you need to start sticking them together. So this is how you need to stick. Here you don't need to worry about the glue. You can use any glue you have. This is how the base is going to look. Now you need to flip the structure. And you need 2 extra popsicle sticks, and we need to stick it like this so that the structure will be strong. Now to decorate this wall hanging, we are going to need such lace. This is a jute lace I am taking. You need to fold it like this and just use a simple thread, jute thread, to make a knot on this. Cut the extra threads, and then this decorative piece is now ready. And this is a pine cone that I am going to use for decoration, some seashells, and these are some paper flowers that I am going to use to decorate this wall hanging. And this is a shoelace. You can use any lace, any thick lace. Using pencil, I am writing a text here. Just directly apply the glue on text and start sticking the lace like this. Now start sticking these decorative things. I'm randomly sticking these things. I had some pebbles also, so I'm using these pebbles for decoration. There are more painted stones that I had, so I am going to use these painted stones for decoration. If you want to learn how I painted these stones, then you can go through the link popping up. At last we need to attach such rope so that we can hang this piece. So this beautiful wall hanging is now ready. Using popsicle sticks you can make such beautiful pieces, and you can use this piece as a door hanger or maybe in your entrance. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial. If you do, so do let me know by your comments below. And if you are new to this channel, do consider subscribing, give this video a thumbs up. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.